So you guys should be able to see my dashboard here. And this is basically a mix of my actual real holdings and some companies that I'm watching. So everybody gets a default stock list called their follow list. And if you just want to put in tickers right here, you'll get these tickers will be added to your follow list automatically. Or you can click here to manage your subscriptions and click here to manage your stock lists. This is basically going to be all of the stock lists that you've created. In my case, I have actually linked my brokerage accounts to Fintel, and so I can actually see all of the positions in my brokerage accounts as well. So, for example, here's my individual 401k. I have 2 funds in here. Okay, you can see them here. If you want to create a new list, you click here. If you want to add or remove stocks, you can basically come here and say, let's remove GSK, for example, from the list. Or I can, go to a specific follow list and then type in something that you want to add. So I could say, let's watch SPY, and it will be added to this. Okay. If you go over here to filter, you can actually click here and pick the specific stock list that you want to look at, and it will filter your dashboard based on that stock list. If you go down, you can see this is news. This is SEC filings. This is insider transactions. Keep going, you get ownership transactions, and that's the end of it. So this basically gives you kind of a one-stop shop to look at all of the stuff that's important to you. You can then drill down. If you were to click on here to see more news, you would end up over on this page. This is a deep dive into the news that shows you kind of all the stuff that we found recently for your stocks. You can also look at the SEC filings. We also have Financial Conduct Authority filings from the UK. We're going to add Canada and basically all the filings that we can find. There's a whole lot of other information in here that you can look at, okay, besides just the dashboard. And I would encourage you to go explore this.